Okay, we're going to try to lift the hydraulic unit off of the weight here with the cherry picker. I got all the bolts out. Hopefully this comes up without sticking too much. It's coming up here, but I may have to adjust those chains. I don't want this thing to get too far off to the side because we don't want it to flop over. Yeah, making up too good here. Oh, there we go. Alright, it's up off of there.
I heard a click. Or whatever.
Yeah, the hydraulic lever hit the...
Ah, alright.
Yeah. Let's see. Watch your feet there. See if I can roll this.
Alright.
Oh boy. Yeah, pan was dragging.
What?
The oil pan underneath her was dragging in there.
I thought you said something dragon.
No, I didn't say something dragging. I said something is dragging.
Oh.
Am I paying you for comments?
No. Now my finger got in front of the camera. Backing up.
On something. Ooh, obviously not all the oil came out. Where's that leaking? No, never mind. That's leaking off the. That's gear oil splashed up there. I still think that there's probably oil in the bottom of that reservoir that we have to get out of there.
Uh-oh.
What?
No, as in there's still oil underneath it.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure I didn't get it all out of there. This thing to come crashing down.
Backing up. Oh. Is that where you got all the oil?
Oh. I got one wheel on the cherry picker that doesn't want to roll here.
I hear it draining.
Yeah. Now jacking up a little more here.
Now it looks like you can see like the inside part of it.
Yeah.
The gears.
Yeah, the hydraulic unit on these tractors sits on top of the transmission.
Hmm.
And
but usually for a car it'd be in front of. Oh.
Yeah. But we'll take a look up here. See what the gear oil looks like. That's because it was leaking hydraulic fluid from the hydraulic unit down in the transmission, and I had an overflow of oil in there, so I have to drain that out and change it.
Is this where you put all the oil? Over here?
Yes, that's the drain pan over there. Whoops, I don't want to knock that down in there. That right there is the drive gear for the hydraulic pump.
Ooh.
I'll give this a good going over in here. Gotta check that chain there too while I got this open. I think all the bearings are good in that, so I don't have to worry about that. It means I don't have to pull the PTO shaft out. Alright, so we'll see what we could do here about moving this back.
What happens if I touch the oil?
You'll get messy fingers. We got it rolled back further. I gotta lower this down a little bit so I can knock the dowel pins out.
Will it splash me if I stand here?
It shouldn't.
Good. That sound is satisfying.
I just hope this old cherry picker doesn't kill us.
And backing up.
Alright, it's still draining oil out
So
now
much
through
oil.
here.
So much oil. Hey, you can kind of see the reflection in there.
Yeah.
Just make sure this doesn't fall in.
I think we might postpone knocking dowel pins out for a little bit and let this drain.
Just enjoy the wonderful sounds of oil.
Listen to that oil draining out of here makes me want to have to go pee.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, we'll have to do the dowel pin removal in another video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Emmett's color commentary.